Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful crochet pattern, crochet sandwiches, crochet hamburgers, crochet plate food, and different latest and beautiful amigurumi crochet pattern. Colorful and beautiful vibrant color crochet food pattern breakfast sandwiches for a crochet breakfast fast sandwiches pattern. Start with the beautiful yarn for the bread, adding brown yarn for the cross create circle pieces, and for the top and bottom slices your use white and yellow yarn for the egg, adding details with black yarn for paper, and craft brown sausages links with different styles. Finish by crocheting lettuce with the green yarn, and assemble the layers and sweep them together. Enjoy crafting your crochet breakfast sandwiches and different to crochet decoration piece, decoration platter breakfast assemble for center table, dining table center area. Decoration like eggs, bread, and sandwich like snacks and different beautiful looks. Layering by sandwiches, different vegetables and food items, crochet pattern. So I hope you like it, guys. Please keep sharing and watching my video, and see this video till the end, and mention me comment section for your feedback and response. And please share your family members and relative friends for this video link.